Good morning everyone, Newborn Investor here and welcome back to another live day trading video. Hopefully we get some great opportunities today as we're all here to make some money. But before we get into today's video, if you really appreciate my live trades, show me some support by hitting the like and subscribe button. It means a lot. That being said, let's get straight into today's action. Pre-market both QQQ and SPY gapping up, giving me a bullish sentiment. But in this state of market, I'm not sure whether we're going to see the uptrend continue. I may not be looking to trade in the first few minutes because the trend may not be that evident. So I'll wait for the first few minutes, see how the markets react, and then define my trades based off that. We do have around 6 minutes to market open, so I'll go ahead and pause for now and I'll talk to you guys at market open. Market is open. Watching SPY. Can SPY break the pre-market highs? Looks like SPY doesn't want to give me a pullback. I'll keep waiting. Big upper wick. Can it come up to this level or closer to the 80 EMA? In at 25. Added. Selling 2 at 24.40. Didn't get it, bummer. Yep. One at 25.80. Up $345. I'll take it. It's a clear EMA bounce. Bounced off the 8 EMA. A great trade to start the day. Now it has fallen more than 50%. So glad that I exited. I would have clearly been wiped out had I stayed in that trade because my average was around 23.95 and now it's 18.50. That's the risk you run into if you're trading in the money options. I was trading 3,700 strike price when the current price of SPX was about 3,700. That is why it's called in the money options. I was in the money, and with this flush, SPX came below 3,700 and its price dropped from $23 to $16 just like a flash. Look at it fall now. given back most of the gains from pre-market and early market open. Now it's not a call side play. Pre-market, I was talking about how we can't trust the moves happening in this state of the market. It was a clear uptrend at market open. The markets popped, made a new high, and then failed big time. Right now, it's indecision in the market. It's above the EMA, and I don't want to go short right now or go long right now. If we have a clear trend, I'll take a second trade, else I'll call it a day. Sorry guys, after I had closed my trading, I had to come back. Seeing the market sell off, I could not hold myself back from trading because this was a good opportunity. SPY was making new lows, actually testing lows from June. So I had to step in, take the opportunity. I took one more trade, putting me up over $1,000 on the day. It's been a while since I had a $1,000 day. Super happy with it. So that would be it from me for today. A decent day of trading, making $1,000. No reasons to complain. As I always say, my goal here is not to hit home runs, but to make consistent basics and live another day to trade. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Until then, stay safe. Thanks for watching. Bye.